Yeah. Today's our discussion is about the number systems. In this session, we will try to learn about various number systems and to recognize different number systems and their uses. Starting with the decimal number system, this is the traditional or conventional number system which we normally use for normal type of transactions. For this base is 10, also called as radix. Here the meaning of base 10 is there are 10 possible digits in this number system, or there are 10 different symbols. 0 is a symbol, 1 is a symbol, 2 is a symbol. Like that now from 0 to 9, in total there are 10 digits. So for this base is 10. Here if you take a number here, the example taken here is 512.74. 512 is integral part and 74 is the fractional part. Here the digit position is, this is called a 0th position, first position, second position. In 512, 2 is the 0th position, 1 is first position and 5 is the second position. Whereas the fractional part 7 and 4 can be called as -1 position and -2 position. So this is about the position. Whereas now weight here is, if you take the 0th position, the weight of 0th position for decimal is 1. This is called as base power position. So 10 power 0 is 1. Next position 10 power 1 is 10. 10 square is 100. Whereas if you come to fractional part, 10 power minus 1 is the weight here, 0.1. 10 power minus 2 is called as the weight here, 0.01. So the first one is about the position, the second position is about the weight here, and total magnitude, I am saying 512.74. The magnitude is sum of digit multiplied by weight. If you take here 2 is the position value here, whereas weight is 1. So 2 into 1, then plus 1 into 10 plus 5 into 100. So the final value will be 500, 10, 2. When I add all the things, 500 plus 10 plus 2, this is equal to 512. So nearly same for the fraction value also. 7 into 0.1 plus 4 into 0.01. Finally, I will get 0.7 plus 0.04. Finally, the formal notation for this will be 512.74. Always show the base 10. If nothing is shown, then we are calling this as decimal. Otherwise, you show the base 10 there. Now, this is the meaning of the any number system. If I know the meaning of a decimal number system, understanding other number systems is very simple. Finally, I will say that now any number is having a meaning. It is a expansion. It is expansion. This is a polynomial. So this is expansion. We can show expansion like this: d2 into b square plus d1 into b power 1 plus d0 into b power 0. Whereas d0, d1, d2 are the position values, whereas here I am getting the b square, b power 1, b power 0 are equivalent to the finally to the weights there. Any number is having the same meaning like this. Now we will convert to the same system, the octal number system. Base or radix for octal is 8. 8 means there are 8 digits there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are the weights here. Then assume that no, there are same number 512.74 here. If it is octal number system, here weight is equal to base power position, no doubt in that here. So the value will be 1, 8 power 0. Second, that is 8 power 1, 8. 8 square is 64. Nearly 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2, 1 by 8 and 1 by 64. Now we need to convert like this an equation here, and the magnitude is sum of digit into weight. Already have seen that now. Finally, the value will be equal to 330.9375. So when I'm converting, I will convert it to the always to the decimal number system, which is popular and known to all of us. So finally, formal notation will be like this: 512.74 to the base 8. To the base 8. Similarly, binary number system. In binary number system, base is 2 means I am having only 2 digits only, 0 and 1. So these are called as binary digits or bits. So the word bit is like this, binary digit. So here the position values are like 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square. So it will be 1, 2, 4. 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2 is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. And for this, the value will be like this. Here, 1 by, that is 1 multiplied by 2 square is the 4. 0 multiplied by 2 power 1. 1 multiplied by 2 power 0. 0 multiplied by 2 power minus 1 and 1 multiplied by 2 power here minus 2. So finally the value will be 5.25 to the base 10. The equivalent value for the this one binary will be 101.01. So here, especially because entire digital system, you use the binary number system, 4 bits is called as a nibble and 8 bits is called as a 1 byte. If you go to hexadecimal number system, in hexadecimal number system, base is 16, means there are 16 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After we use A, B, C, D, E, F. These 16 are the symbols or the digits which we use in the hexadecimal number system. So here, just like in the previous number systems here, again we will say that if at all we take an example of 1E 5.7A, the positions are 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. So 16 power 0 is 1, 16 power 1 is 16, 16 square is 256. So finally the value of this hexadecimal number system is expansion like this, that is digit multiplied by weight. Finally the equivalent decimal value will be 485.4765625, so to the base 10. And actual, the formal notation of this hexadecimal number is 1E5.7A to the base 16. Even though we are using all these number systems like this, not any number system is possible. Simply the total number of symbols or digits available in that number system will be its base or radix. But normally for general purpose like analog system, I use the decimal number system, and entire digital system we use the binary number system. So small example in the binary number system, the weights will be like this here. If the number of bits, 0 bits 2 power 0, 1 bit 2 power 1, 2 bits are there, 2 square, value will be 4. Like this now it will be in 2 powers, and like this up to 10, 2 power 10 is 1024, and this is called as 1 kilo. And then similarly 1 mega is 2 power 20, that is 1 kilo into 1 kilo will give you the 1 mega here. And similarly 1 mega into again 1 kilo, that is 2 power 30 will be called as 1 giga, and 2 power 40 is called as 1 tera. So this is the notation which we use in the binary number system. Now with this, now in this session we discussed about 4 different number systems: decimal number system, followed by binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. And these number systems are very much useful in the digital systems, and conversions are also required in this regard. And whatever we learned up to now on this, just I want to test your knowledge using this small quiz there. Base of hexadecimal number system is what? Radix is the meaning of what? And number of digits in octal are how many? how many bits is a byte and how many bits is nibble. With this now, all of you read all these 4 number systems properly, work on that and answer these questions. And finally, in this session, mainly we discussed about the all possible number systems. And the conversions we will discuss in the next session. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all.